I've said that when this occurs over time, the deposited materials accumulate, get compressed and consolidated by solutions of silica. Now, the silica content is going to work as cement. I know many of you are seeing people building houses, and as they are building houses, they buy sand and then they get a bag of cement, they mix. Why do they mix? They want to cement, to compact, to compress, to make it stick together. Now, the process of these layers being compressed, cemented by solutions of silica, in geography paper 1, we use one word, and that word is lithification. Let me repeat, please, whoever is watching this video, this is technical. Let me be a bit slow here. This is very technical. Let me repeat, but don't be scared, of course, because it's very simple. I'm saying that the process of the sediments or deposited materials getting compressed together, cemented together, consolidated. The word consolidated means becoming one particle. I can use another scenario of land consolidation. For example, many of you stay in urban centers. Like here in Uganda, there is an urban center called Kampala. And in Kampala, there is a suburb called Nansana. When you go to Nansana along Kampala-Wema Road, it's a big town covering very many kilometers. But in the outskirts of Nansana municipality, there are very small plots of land. I think it's because of the massive poverty. People being very poor, but they want to stay in towns also, which is okay, because they provide labor. Now, if you want to join these pieces together, we call it land consolidation. The same applies here, that these sediments are coming together, are being compressed, compacted, and cemented by solutions of silica. Now, silica is what does cement here. The whole process is called lithification. Let me spell it. Lithification. Lithification. I guess you've got it. Then, I've told you, the line or the plane between layers of sedimentary rocks is called a bedding plane. Meaning that the whole of this part of the notes is explaining activity 1. Activity 1 is about an illustration of the formation of sedimentary rocks here, as you see. So, we can go on towards the end of this part. Types of sedimentary rocks. We may not fully exhaust all of them today, but we can start on something small, then we can wind up in the next video. I want us to be very serious here. When we began on this topic, rocks, we said that rocks are categorized into 3 major types. And surely, I gave you a guide question, account for the formation of rocks types in East Africa, and I put 25 marks. The 25 marks don't just come by mistake, my dear. You must talk about igneous rocks, the types of igneous rocks, then briefly the characteristics. Go to the rocks, talk about many types, like what I'm starting here. And I think that types of sedimentary rocks, there are 3 types of sedimentary rocks in East Africa, namely physically stroke mechanically formed sedimentary rocks, organically stroke biologically formed sedimentary rocks, and then chemically formed sedimentary rocks. And briefly here, as I wind up this video, just for hint, I want you to go and do want you to go and do your personal research about these three types of rocks: the physically or mechanical formed sedimentary rocks, organically or biologically formed sedimentary rocks, chemically formed sedimentary rocks. So, briefly, the physically stroke mechanically, these are formed through sedimental processes of weathering and agents of soil erosion, and later deposited in layers. So as I told you before, that the materials deposited by wind are called loess. I've put here in my notes that the materials deposited by wind are called loess. Then the materials deposited by running water are called alluvium. The materials deposited by ice are moraine. Then, of course, the marine deposits or waves, these ones are because of the waves in the ocean. Waves are circular motions of water. So I've given examples of marine deposits as clay, mudstones, shell, sandstones, among others. That's the first type of sedimentary rocks. When we come again for another video, we shall look at another type called chemically formed, and then wind up with the organically formed or biologically formed. Then look at the characteristics of sedimentary rocks. Then next time we continue with metamorphic rocks and then important phase of rocks. We shall be almost coming to the end of this topic, and I will give you more questions which will keep you busy and serious. So in brief, as I conclude, today has been another great day. We have looked at characteristics of igneous rocks. We have gone ahead and looked at the second type of rocks, that is sedimentary rocks. It's been nice sharing with you on this platform. For any feedback, please give the feedbacks. We can answer all your questions you need. My name is Msima Cohen. I sign out. Nice time.